Hello, children. Are you ready to read the story about the ants? Children, let's read. Once upon a time, there was a tiny ant named Andy. Andy lived in a bustling anthill with lots of other ants. Let's read again, children. Once upon a time, there was a tiny ant named Andy. Andy lived in a bustling anthill with lots of other ants. Every day, Andy would wake up early and join the ant parade. They march in a straight line, carrying crumbs and leaves back to their home. Let's read again, children. Every day, Andy would wake up early and join the ant parade. They march in a straight line, carrying crumbs and leaves back to their home. Andy's job was to dig tunnels. With his strong ant jaws, he dug deep into the earth, creating cozy rooms for the ant colony. Let's read again. Andy's job was to dig tunnels. With his strong ant jaws, he dug deep into the earth, creating cozy rooms for the ant colony. Sometimes he'd find shiny pebbles or hidden treasures. Andy loved exploring. Let's read again. Sometimes he'd find shiny pebbles or hidden treasures. Andy loved exploring. One rainy day, the anthill flooded. The ants scurried to higher ground, carrying their precious eggs. One rainy day, the anthill flooded. The ants scurried to higher ground, carrying their precious eggs. Andy helped rescue the baby ants, making sure they stayed safe and dry. The queen ant praised him for his bravery. Let's read again, children. Andy helped rescue the baby ants, making sure they stayed safe and dry. The queen ant praised him for his bravery. Night, Andy listened to stories from the older ants. They told tales of ant heroes and grand adventures. At night, Andy listened to stories from the older ants. They told tales of ant heroes and grand adventures. Andy dreamed of exploring beyond the anthill, maybe even meeting a friendly grasshopper or a wise ladybug. Let's read again. Andy dreamed of exploring beyond the anthill, maybe even meeting a friendly grasshopper or a wise ladybug. Now, let's go to question and answer. Number one question. Who is the main character in the story? A. Andy the tiny ant. B. Andy the cute cat. C. Andy the big puppy. The answer is letter A. Andy the tiny ant is the main character in the story. What was Andy's job in the ant colony? A. To dig the soil and find for food. B. To dig tunnels and create cozy rooms for the ant colony. C. To find pebbles and hidden treasures. The answer is letter B. To dig tunnels and cozy rooms for the ant colony. That was Andy's job. Number 3. What did Andy find while digging? A. Andy found crumbs and leaves. B. Andy found some ants climbing a hill. C. Andy found shiny pebbles and hidden treasures. The answer is letter C. Andy found shiny pebbles and hidden treasures. Next, what happened when the anthill flooded? A. Ants scurried to higher ground, carrying their eggs. B. Ants march in straight line. C. Ants hid in the cave. The answer is A. Ants scurried to higher ground, carrying their eggs. Number 5. What did Andy dream of doing one day? A. Andy dreamed of going up on the hill. B. Andy dreamed of drowning in the flood. C. Andy dreamed of exploring beyond the anthill and meeting other insects. The answer is letter C. Andy dreamed of exploring beyond the anthill and meeting other insects. Good job, children!